Well, today I want to show you one of my favorite little camping accessories. This is the Benville generator bag. And as you see, better protection, better life. I love that. I love that. What this is here, as you can see, quite large, and it is on wheels. That is what I love. It rolls around so nice with these wheels. Now, what this is designed for is to keep your battery banks, or such as this. So, it's this particular, we'll get a close up here. It is all padded, very nice thick pads on all sides, and it's designed up to, up to, I would say up to like 1,800. Kind of depends upon the battery bank or design, but this one here's an 800 watt, and I like keeping all my electronics in here. I got this generator and this little battery bank. Because you know what? It provides protection. It's on wheels. I love having all my electronics in one place, and this Benville is amazing for that. Now let me show you a couple other features. Here on the top here has a nice mesh bag. That's where I keep all my cords for the battery bank. Now, here is another cool feature. The front opens up so you could have the unit all closed up. However, you could open the front flap and then have access to your battery bank, which is right here. So you can place your cords and power everything you need right through this nice window. And really, what I like to do is I'll close it up, and once you have I'll plug it in, close it in, so there's just a couple of, the cords just come all right here. Love that feature. One other item is that I like a lot about this is, I did show you that it's on wheels, but if there's uneven ground, this is awesome. It has two large straps that you can put right over your shoulder. So really makes, you could walk around easily with it, and really makes it carrying easy. And then once you get to a surface where you can roll it, it rolls so nice. Also has handles on the end too, so you could pick it up that way. But really a nice unit, and really protects your electronic equipment.